Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change Google account name in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to click on settings from your phone, then open up your settings. After open up your settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and look for Google right here. So click on that. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply select on your Google name, then click on Google account. It take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then click on search Google account. It take you right here. And the next thing you need to do here is to simply scroll down, scroll all the way down, scroll down to name right here. Click on name. It's going to take you right here. Now, for you to change your Google account name, what you need to do is to simply click on this particular button right here. So click on that. It's going to open up like so. What you need to do is to enter your first name and then enter your surname. Once you enter those names, then come down below right here and then click on save. And with that, your name will change completely on your Google account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.